really $6.99? Well, I tried it myself. I went to the website and I started ordering Domino's right here. So in today's episode, we're gonna find out right now. We're gonna find out right now. The thin crust pizza right here and mango habanero wings together. So the short answer is no, it's not a $6.99. They lure you in. As I will show you later in the video how this went. I went to the website and I went to the app and I started ordering and I clicked on the $6.99. When you start clicking and choosing your preferences and choosing what you want to eat tonight or today, you're gonna choose some extra stuff, right? I'm gonna show you, like if you choose extra, I didn't choose any extras, by the way. So this is what you get. I'm gonna do a test taste as well and we'll see if it is worth it. Cheers. So total I spent for this order is $18, which is 8 wings right here, 8 mango habanero wings, a large 14-inch pizza with Philly steak, cheese and Philly steak. By the way, this is the first time that I order from Domino's. Ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna take the first bite right here. It's kind of cold right now, but it's okay. So, cheers. So many of you guys asked, how do you do this order? So in this part, I will show you how I ordered the $6.99 and how I ended up paying $18. Of course, you can skip this part, but let me show you. So I went to Google Play Store. Of course, you can go to Apple Play Store and type Domino's. And here, as you can see, I downloaded the app and I clicked on coupons. And then I chose the carryout option, no thanks. And then I put my address and a close by Domino's branches popped up. But do you see the $6.99 option? Yup, you click on that and then you choose the first item. I chose the thin crust pizza and I chose the most basic options as available. And then I chose my second item, which is the habanero wings. And as you see on the screen, it's not $6.99 for both. The sweet mango habanero wings were $9 and the Philly cheesesteak pizza was $11.24. And believe me, I spent a lot of time trying to tweak it to make it $6.99, but I failed. But now let's go back to the test taste. So the steak flavor is apparent. There's like a steak sauce, good amount of cheese, and that's delicious. I'll give them that. It's a very thin, it's a thin crust, a little bit chewy. That's good. I'll give a rating by the end. I'll try the wings, but overall, this is not a fair comparison with whether with Domino's pizza or Hungry Howie, but this is a good pizza. And you see the flop? Let's try the wings. I like it. There are a variety of wings. This is the package that it comes with. I haven't tried habanero and mango. What's the deal? So what's habanero and mango taste like? We're gonna find out right now. We're gonna find out right now. In front of you, live. I don't know who's gonna win. But anyway, cheers. First bite, it's sweet. Habanero hits you hard. It's not too spicy. It's juicy, definitely juicy. I'm gonna smother it with the sauce. It's definitely juicy and sweet. So if you like your wings sweet with a hint of spice, I would recommend that. They put some bread in there or like a cornstarch or something to make it crispy. But since the order has been sitting for 35, almost 35 minutes, maybe more. There's no crunch. We're gonna try another wing right now. The sauce is like a jam type of a jam right here. By the way, sweet kills the heat. That right, sweet kills the heat. So this one, it's good, but the pizza is much better to me. It's a little bit addictive, kind of. I don't know why, because of the sweet maybe, I don't know. Definitely hungry. Let's go back to the pizza. Ta-da! And as I promised, oh boy, there's an after spice heat taste when you eat the wings. But for the pizza, I would give it 8.5 out of 10. Yes. If you're gonna get the thin crust, I would recommend a sauce. Order a sauce with it, especially if you're not planning to eat it right after you order it. For the wings, I would give it a 5 to a 6. I would give it a 5.5. They were not the best, but they were not the worst. With that being said, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for tuning in. This was spontaneous. I didn't plan this video, but thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, just like you, and consider subscribing because I always make videos about food and travel. And until I see you on the next one, I say peace!